My name is Chris from Factory Reps, a representative for Rak and Sozo here in Hawaii. This is Chip Halpin from Rak Sozo. He's here to show you some new products here at the July show.
Hi everybody. First I want to introduce you to Rak Porcelain. We are a true manufacturer. We're based in Oakdale, Pennsylvania. Everything that we have in our catalog is stocked here in the United States. I want to introduce you to a new pattern that we have here. It's called Aztec. I think this is going to go very, very nicely here on the Hawaiian Islands. It's a series of items that we have in Undecorated, and we've added 5 different colors along with the decal on the face of the plate that lends itself to this area here. As we move down, we've got a brand new steak plate here. We've got the new fire that's available in 3 different colors. Again, we took existing items from existing shapes, incorporating some really bright, eye-catching type glazes to them. We're very excited to have that. It's all ready to go. These 3 patterns right here, they're probably a little difficult to see, but if we get up close, we can see that we've got Seoul here. It's a reactive decal placed on a bright white body, clear glaze with a reactive decal here. This one sort of emanates from the center of the plate. We have the charm pattern that's kind of a champagne bubble, again reactive decal that really, really pops with the right light. And then we've got the helm that we do also on our bright white body, and we're very excited about this. This is ready to go, and we're right now taking many, many orders for it. This is a pattern that's been out for about 3/4 of a year. It's called Twirl, available in 5 southwestern colors. Get your samples of that. You're going to have a really, really great time showing that to your customers. And we've got some of the staples that have been out for about a year. We've got Edge, we've got Oxid, we've got Shale, and this right here is the new Rocks, what I call the Fred Flintstone pattern. It's got sort of a textured glaze, actually a textured type of finish to it. We're very excited to have that. We can't keep it in stock. It's selling out so much. So those are some of the new things that we have here from Rak Porcelain. And don't forget that we also represent Stossel glass. It's machine-made crystalline glass. Comes out of Weisswasser, Germany. Beautiful, beautiful pulled stem crystalline glass. If you've got any questions about any of our products, please come back to Chris Wong Swenson. He'll be able to help you out with any sample requests, any information requests. Just let him know what it is that you need.
Thank you so much, Chip, for coming down. You're welcome. Everybody, come down, check out all these new products. Any questions, let us know, and join us today. Mahalo.